gonna set up to make us some breakfast and coffee. I have some oatmeal, and then they provided these beautiful cups with coffee in them, but we're gonna use my mushroom coffee outside. Good morning. I'm gonna give Nikki some food. Look at the way, I'm sorry, Nikki. Look at the way the dew is hanging off this tree. This is like what makes life amazing. Look at that. Looks like little dewdrops. It's just the most beautiful thing. Positive, prosperous things to happen. Dreams, amazing things. Alright, let's go inside and eat our breakfast. Okay, so I'm going to clean up now. I was gonna shower, but it's honestly freezing, so I'm not gonna do that. I live about 2 hours away from here without traffic, so we're gonna try and beat the traffic and clean everything up and then be on our way. I also want to stop and check out the lake nearby, so I gotta hurry up. So now I'm going to just rinse out these dishes outside And then we're gonna head to the lake up the street. I'm really excited to see it. Hopefully Nick and I can get a good walk in, and yeah, let's go. They have this little station set up here to wash dishes, so we're just gonna rinse them really quick. We are pretty much done. I cleaned up pretty good, and let's head to my car to go check out this lake. Oh, my hair. Bye, cabin. Ooh. Come on, Nix. We're warming up in here. It looks like I might not be able to to get into this lake, but it says like commercial vehicles and contractors use this way, so we're gonna see if we can like get into it somehow. But it looks like it's a private lake, which sucks. Well, unfortunately, it's a private lake, which always sucks. I don't really understand why we have private lakes. I mean, I get it because like people will litter and destroy nature, so I guess I get it, but still annoying. But I found this really cute coffee shop, so we're gonna get like a little pastry and then head home. So cute. I always love these libraries.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. Espresso shot is
Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's great.
Anything else?
Thank you. No, that's it.
It's gonna be 10:05.
Okay. Oh, and I don't need a receipt. Thanks. Nikki gets a little patty. Look how cute this place is, though. She's like in the middle of nowhere. Look at this beautiful art. No lake, but breakfast sandwiches. So, hi, Nick. All right, Nikki. Come. You're gonna be even happier in a second. Okay, now we're at the little window waiting for our little breakfast sandwich. This is too cute. Oops. Hey, so we got our patties. We're gonna try them now. This is for Nikki. Easy. It's hot. Okay. Oh. You're crazy. She's crazy with food. My breakfast sandwich. It's good, but I'm not gonna eat the muffin, the patty, and the cheese. It's pretty good. A little cold though, but what are you gonna do? All right, that was yummy. I actually needed that. I needed meat. I haven't eaten meat in a couple days, so I really needed that. Nikki, are you happy with that? You yummy? You happy, girl? You get lots of treats and some solo time? All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for being here. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you either Monday or Friday. I don't know which day this is going to be on. But love you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hype, comment, check out my other socials, and I'll see you later.